It still happens. A classic military vehicle like this half-track is discovered at a scrapyard somewhere in the world. The vehicle is heavily corroded and definitely needs a complete overhaul and restoration. Where do you start and where to find all the missing parts? This is where BAIV can support and help you. Our company started with restorations of half-tracks decades ago. Since then, we gathered years of experience, knowledge and expertise for all kinds of other vehicles. There are always a couple of vehicles in our workshop undergoing restoration. Every day, our specialists work with dedication and love to restore these old ladies to collectible and desirable World War II icons. Over the years, BAIV expanded its knowledge and expertise on armored vehicles and tanks. This Comet Tank was discovered in Finland and is currently undergoing a complete and full restoration. The engine bay was fully overhauled and rebuilt back to the original factory standards. All parts are shot blasted and will be painted in our spray booth. The 3D CAD design ensures a perfect fit, hence the term fits like a glove. The biggest milestone in a restoration process is starting the engine for the first time. This moment of work fulfillment is also shared by the spectators. Next to our workshop in Maarheeze, we have warehouses in Budel, Germany and the United Kingdom. This half-track is fully restored and awaits its delivery to its owner. Restoration up to the smallest detail is our trademark. An extra service of BAIV is our customer experience. Every step in the restoration process is documented with photos and films. Our clients receive regular updates of the restoration process. Also on Facebook, you can follow us on a daily basis. The finest moment is without a doubt the delivery of the vehicle to its new owner. We always instruct you how to drive, operate and maintain your vehicle. And then it's time to enjoy and ride your dream.
Love it! Yeah! Yeah! Okay, is this what you want?
That's exactly what I want.
Okay.